Welcome guys to another video. In today's video we're gonna do fried dumpling. So what I have here in the container is some all-purpose flour, so you can use any amount that you wish for your family. Maybe 2 cups right here. I'm gonna add some baking powder and some butter, so just stay tuned. Okay, so there I put the baking powder, so that's like a spoon of baking powder. I'm gonna add some butter. So in that process I'm going to stir it around, mix it in, and then I'm going to add some butter. So here like a spoon or 2 of butter. Get off it. So that's what I'm doing here guys. So here guys, you have your baking powder, like a spoon with some butter if you like it in there, right? So it's going to be stirring around. And you're gonna get some milk or whatever coronation milk or cream to your liking with some salt, and you're gonna mix it into the flour. Mixing the dough. So remember, this is for fried dumpling. So the dough is basically mixing in. So stay tuned for when we're gonna make the dumpling to get it fried. So this is just basically getting ready to make the fried dumpling. Yes guys, here you have the dumpling. You could, as you see, do whatever you and your family like. I am not a chef, I'm not being rude. Okay, so this is how I fry my fried dumpling. That's my dad's hand, and he's frying the fried dumpling, and this is the way I like it. Okay guys, so you can put sugar, that is if you wish, for your family. You can add coronation milk. You can do with a different texture of flour, whether it's brown flour, which is whole wheat flour, and this is how we're doing it here. You could use olive oil. I am using vegetable oil at this time. You turn it down on low heat, and there you have it. This is fried dumpling from me, and this is the way me and my children enjoy it. So thank you for taking the time out and watching my videos. Again, this channel is not for everyone. I am not a chef, I'm a nurse, and yes, as a nurse you have to cook for your family. So this is how it goes down in my home, right? This is the end of 2020. We're looking forward to a positive 2021. Bless up yourself, you and your family. Enjoy the whole year, and welcome in 2021 with a big bang. Drinking at the house, don't go down where you don't drink and drive. Stay safe, mask up yourself if you don't. If you're going out, you wear your mask. Enjoy and stay blessed. Thank you for watching my videos.